Did you miss me? Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the wiper blades on the 2010 Ford Mustang. I recommend using the OEM wipers because not all wipers are compatible with this car. Just for the reference, this wiper blade is 22 inches and this one is 20 inches. To remove the wiper blade, press on the two tabs at the bottom and push forward. I find it easier to remove it from the top because it's way easier and you just remove it like that. And you removed it. This system uses a clip type system instead of a J type system, which we did in our recent couple videos back. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the new wiper and the old wiper. Set the base of the new wiper at the bottom of the wiper arm. Then, connect the top of the new wiper to clip on top of the arm. You will hear a click when the wiper locks in place. Once you hear a click, it's ready. Once everything is finished, just remove the wiper cover. You just slide it up. And this is how you replace a wiper blade system on a 2010 Ford Mustang. My name is Brianna, and this has been another episode of How to Helen. Thank you for watching.
What are you doing? What's that?
Wait, what do we do? What are we replacing?
Wiper. Like the last time.
Replacing a wiper blade? Okay.
Remember like the last time?
In this episode, we will be replacing a wiper cabin, a wiper blade for the
wiper blade.
Okay.
The wiper blade.
Just for the reference, the what? The what?
The wiper blade
Okay.
are 22 inches and 20.
Okay.
Action.
My hair's in the way. Okay.
Set. Action.
I recommend using the OEM wipers since not all cars use that wiper blade, and yeah.
Action.
To remove the wiper blade, and this is how you replace a wiper blade system on replacing, yeah. Go team!